Life insurance. Just hearing the word makes many people think boring, expensive, or unnecessary. In fact, ask your friends and you'll hear myths like it's too costly, only for old people, or my favorite, the claim will never be paid anyway. But here's the truth. These are myths, and believing them can actually put your family at risk. So in today's video, I'm busting the top 5 myths about life insurance. Stick with me till the end because some of these may surprise you and change the way you look at insurance forever. Let's start with the biggest myth. Insurance is only for rich people. Reality check. A 28-year-old can buy a 1 crore term plan under rupees 600 a month. That's literally the cost of 2 cappuccinos. Think about it. We don't blink before paying rupees 1000 for an OTT subscription or rupees 600 for a Friday night pizza. But for less than that, you can give your family lifelong financial security. Life insurance is not expensive. It's actually one of the cheapest and most efficient ways to create a safety net of lakhs and crores. So next time you sip that coffee, ask yourself, is your family protected? Many people in their 20s say, oh, I don't need insurance now. I'll buy it when I'm older. Here's why that's a mistake. When you buy young, your premium is at its lowest, and once logged, it stays the same for decades. Delay till your 40s and you may pay 2 to 3 times more. Add health issues like blood pressure or diabetes and premium shoots up, or you may even face exclusions. Let's do a quick story. Raj, 28, buys 1 crore cover for rupees 600 a month. His friend Vishal waits till 42. Vishal pays 2000 rupees for the same cover. Over their lifetimes, Vishal ends up paying lakhs more just because he delayed. The truth? Insurance is actually meant for the young because you get maximum cover at minimum cost. Every year you wait, you pay more and risk exclusions. So if you're around 30, this is your golden time. This one is partly true for term insurance, but life insurance is much bigger. There are plans that help you while you live. Endowment and money-back plans give you maturity payouts or periodic survival benefits. Child plans secure your kids' education even if you're not around. Retirement plans give you monthly income after you stop working. ULIPs combine insurance with market-linked growth. So insurance is not just about death benefits. It's about living benefits too. Think of it as a financial umbrella. Sometimes it shields your family from storms. Sometimes it helps you reach milestones. For example, with a ULIP, you don't just get protection. You also enjoy market-linked growth, fund switching flexibility, and long-term wealth creation alongside life cover. People often complain, why should I buy insurance? The returns are not as high as stocks. Here's the reality. Insurance is not an alternative to stocks or FD. Its job is not to maximize your returns. Its job is to give you assured protection plus disciplined savings. Depending on the product, traditional plans give guaranteed payouts plus bonuses. ULIPs allow you to choose funds and grow wealth. Retirement plans provide lifelong pension. Insurance is like the seat belt in your car. Does it give you mileage? No. But will you ever drive without it? A big no. Returns are the bonus. Protection is the foundation. This myth scares people the most. What's the point of paying premiums if my claim will be rejected? Here are the facts. In 2025, top insurers in India have claim settlement ratios above 98%. Most rejections happen only because of non-disclosure, hiding smoking habits, illnesses, or wrong income details. Let me give you an example. A friend of mine was upfront about his medical history, and when his family filed a claim, the insurer settled it in just 3 days. On the other hand, cases where people hide facts often end in disputes. Truth: If you're honest while buying, your family's claim is almost certain to be paid. Remember, transparency is equals to trust and trust is equals to payout. Here's an extra myth. People say, I'll buy insurance once my salary increases. But the irony is, the earlier you buy, the cheaper it is. Every year of delay makes it costlier. Insurance is like planting a tree. The best time was yesterday. The next best time is today. It's best bought when you're young. It protects your life and supports your goals. Returns are moderate, but protection is priceless. Claims are paid if you are honest. And delaying only makes it costlier. Don't let myths stop you from securing your family's future. If you found this video useful, subscribe, share it with someone who believes these myths, and drop your doubts in the comments. Because insurance is not about fear. It's about peace of mind. Insurance is cheaper than your coffee. Life insurance is not just about deaths. It funds your dreams too. 98% of the claims get paid. The secret? Just be honest.